Hello, welcome back to my IELTS series. Today I'll be talking about the written test in IELTS. Uh, Written test in IELTS General and IELTS Academic has a difference. First of all, it is a 1 hour duration test divided into two parts. 150 words, 150 words part 1 and 250 words part 2. Now in IELTS Academic part 1, that is 150 words passage writing, is all about describing a graph, a table, a chart or an image which is given to you, and few questions are asked, and you need to study or understand what the graph or the chart or image is trying to say and describe it in your own words using a good vocabulary. It has to be nicely synchronized. It should correlate to the question which is being asked, and it has to be, all the paragraphs have to be in coherence. Begin with a nice statement and you can conclude it with a solution or an opinion. And make sure you finish on time, because students sometimes they go ahead of time and then they fall short of time for long answer question, that is 250 words. Now the word limitation is 150, but you can exceed it up to 160, 170, not beyond that. And minimum it has to be 140 to 45 words, not less than that, otherwise I will unnecessarily be penalized. Now question number 2, that is part 2 in written test, has a word limit of 250 words, and the time allocated to it is approximately 40 minutes, so you need to keep a tap on the time. The second part is focused on argument or a problem or something which needs your opinion. So it is sometimes discussion based, or you need to explain or discuss. So you need to keep in mind that once you understand the question, which way you have to go, because if you go against, if your thoughts do not coincide with what is asked in question, even then you have to give a reason out. You have to reason out everything you're writing, and even if you're writing in favor, you have to reason out why you think in favor. So again, try to use good vocabulary, take care of grammar, sentence construction, and it has to be in coherence. All these things need to be taken care of, plus the flow you have to maintain. The way you have begun, it has to go in flow. Do not jump on another other points suddenly. Make sure you give at least 2-3 lines conclusion, summarizing the entire thing that you have written. This is about IELTS Academic. In IELTS General, the question number 1 is normally letter writing. It is letter writing, personal, formal or semi-formal. Again, it is of 150 words. You have to take care of word limits. Same rules applicable: vocabulary, coherence, flow or fluency, you can say. And you can begin with a nice statement, or you can just go ahead with your opinion and write down the letter, whether it needs a formal tone, personal tone or semi-formal tone. Take care of the word limits. And part 2 is obviously an essay of 250 words that you have to write, which carries more weightage. So that is more on required personal opinion on some statement that they have given you, or some matter they have put in the question. So just read the question properly. Do not copy those words. Put it in your own words and begin with a nice statement, and then think about it, whether you agree with it or you disagree with it, and write accordingly. End it with a nice conclusion, and make sure you finish in time and not hurriedly without conclusion. You'll be losing marks there. So these are the two different ways of handling IELTS academic writing and IELTS general writing. These things come very well with great practice. So practice a lot, and I'll come back again with more information on this.